Hello, let's talk about intellectual property in Uganda. How do you protect your inventions? How do you protect your innovations? How do you protect your musical work? How do you protect your dramatic works? How do you protect your artistic works? This is a video for you, and you can go ahead and register your copyright. You can register your patent. Yes, you can register your trademark here in Uganda so that no one goes ahead to use your trademark as his or hers. Yes. So what is a copyright? A copyright is an automatic right which protects original literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works. So for copyright, it deals with your literature, your books. It deals with like the shows. These you go ahead and think about like a game or the play, and then these poetry works, and then musical work like music, and then artistic works. All those fall under copyright. So when we go to a patent is a registered right that gives the owner exclusive right to features and processes of invention. That's a patent. Then we go to a trademark. It protects logos, signs that are used in relation to a particular type of a product or service. That's what it means by a trademark. It deals with logos and signs. Yes. So how do you protect your intellectual property here in Uganda? There are things you must fulfill before you say that I want to protect my trademark, my copyright or patent here in Uganda. One is that the novelty, something should not be divulged in any published work. It has to be something new. If you're saying this song is mine, it shouldn't be from someone's song that for you just changed maybe from the first song, the last sentence, then you made it to the first, so that the first sentence be the last, and then you be like, this is my song and I want to register it as my own intellectual property. No, something has to be new, something has to be unique. Yes, it has to be like the let me say, you're saying the inventive step, the new product or technique should not be obvious to an expert in the field. Yes, let's look at the COVID drug we used. It was something new, something unique, and it came in a time where we needed it. Yes, so for that instance, if you are like that doctor, then you can go ahead and register your patent. You can register your copyright. You can register your music, your books as your own intellectual property. And then another requirement is that the invention can be manufactured or employed in some form of industry. Yes, so those are the requirements that you have to fulfill in order for you to be able to register your intellectual property in Uganda, or your intellectual property rights. Then when we go to the steps of registering your intellectual property, that's copyright, patent, trademark. We've said it. Yes. So submit a field patent or application form. Yes. Attach a patent document having the title, abstract, description, claims, and drawings. Attach proof of payment of fees. Then you submit your documents to URSB, and URSB will receive your documents and accords it a filing date and a patent application number. Yes. Then step 3, an application found to be in order is subject to substantive examination to determine if the application or if the invention fulfills all the requirements of patentability. Then when we go to the next step is that the applicant is notified on a grant or refusal of the patent. If at all you didn't do like you copied someone's work, you did something, then your application will be refused, yes, or rejected. But then if something is unique, something is new, according to the things we've talked about, your application will be granted. Then the applicant is then requested to pay the grant fees and thereafter be issued with a certificate of grant of a patent. You get my point? Yes.